Hi everyone, I will show you how to add action buttons to Instagram profile. First of all, open your profile. Now tap the edit profile, scroll down, then tap action buttons, tap add lead form, then tap the standard lead form and tap done. Now the action button apply on your profile.
If there is a problem with this video, so ask in the comment. Any problem related to social media and internet, let us know in the comment bar so we can make a video on it. Please like this video and press the bell icon for any update.